tend to do something here, something pretty unusual on a Vespa actually, but I took all my plastics, like the pads, you know, the covers, the filter, because since this bike is pretty old, you can see that all these little pieces are looking like, you know, faded already with the sun, and they don't look like kind of old already. What I'm gonna attempt to do here today, I'm gonna apply this ceramic coating, which is for cars, for trim coat. It's like to, you know, put ceramic coating on the trims for cars. So I'm gonna attempt to put this, apply all this in this panel, so we can have a nice looking finish on our plastic and they don't look, you know, all corroded. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, you want to put some alcohol, like, you know, degrease them pretty well. Nothing with a greasy or anything, with coating, mostly with soapy water. Like this cover was whole greasy from the engine, so I took a heavy duty degreaser and degreased the whole thing. But the next thing you want to do before you apply the actual coating is clean them with alcohol. So we got a little bit of alcohol over here, and we're gonna proceed and spray a little bit. And we're gonna clean the whole surface pretty well to prepare it for the coating itself. You wanna clean them very well so the coating sticks do their work pretty nice. You wanna let them dry pretty nice before you apply the coating. So you obviously wanna wear some gloves. Okay, so we can grab our piece here and we're ready to crack this open. It's a little towel, so humidity. You want to crack that open and start, you know, rubbing against everything. You want to be a little quick with it, tend to dry out. You want to go as fast as you can, but as detailed as you can. Make sure you don't miss any spot. And you want to let this dry for 30 minutes at least before you expose it to the sun, water, any moisture, and you want to let that dry very well. Once you see that the little cloth getting dirty, turn it over. So as you can see, everything is nice and shiny back again, and that's gonna remain like that. All our pieces, I'm not gonna touch them because that chemical is very strong, and you wanna let them dry for over 30 minutes before you even touch them or expose them to moisture or to the sun or anything. So we're gonna let this dry. Look how nice these pads are gonna look. They're gonna look like brand new. And after you just wait for the 30 minutes, install everything back on, and you're gonna have some nice looking pieces with ceramic coating. So pretty nice. Well, it's actually been a few months, more than 7 months I think, that I applied that ceramic coating in all my trims and all my plastic panels, and as you can see, they be keeping nice and shiny the whole time. Like, I have washed the bike a lot, like it's been sitting in the sun like every single day, and as you can see, they're still like really in really good shape. It actually really helps to keep them like brand new. Like, I will definitely recommend doing this. If you just bought your Vespa, I will highly recommend ceramic coating the whole thing. Like, I did a ceramic coating to the entire bike like recently, not too long ago. I did the whole bike with the Car Pro ceramic coating thing. I mean, that thing actually really helps in keeping the bike in good shape, and it really makes a simple job to clean it out, because, you know, with the hydrophobic features and all the ceramic features, it actually helps to keep it a lot more cleaner, and it's way easier to remove the dirt out of it. Like, even after all the mud that I went through the off-roading, it was really easy to get rid of it. Yeah, as you can see, everything is still like really nice and shiny. I haven't applied any reloader or any other product rather than what you see on that video on that day. Just that cloth with the ceramic coating, and that was pretty much it. And as you can see, everything looks like brand new still, and this bike is from 2008. When I bought it, this wasn't like in bad condition at all, but it was starting to get faded. This actually helps to get that dark black come back and pop out, and, you know, make it nice and glossy the whole time. So highly recommend stamp it, man. And even the air filter box that is still kind of dirty from my off-roading, it's kind of scratched because all the dirt, but it actually is still really shiny. And you know the air box receive a lot of dirt and a lot of heat cycles, and it tends to get like in really bad shape. But using that ceramic coating actually helped to keep that nice look. It looks like brand new the whole time. It's nice and shiny, so it actually helps a lot. But well, make sure you click that like button if you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more great content, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Thank you. Peace.